If you're in a data science interview, you are going to come across questions that seem easy on the surface. But let me give you some real world advice. If the question is easy for you, and I mean this with no disrespect, but it's also going to be easy for a lot of other people. And some of these companies may be getting 1,000, 2,000 applicants for a single job opening. Now, when you were in school, if all you did was get the answer correct, you got an A. But that doesn't happen here on the job market. You're competing against all these other people for exactly one role. So just because you get the answer correct doesn't actually mean that you gave the best possible answer or an answer that stands out. Let me give you a few examples. Why do you want to work here? So when I'm giving mock interviews, the most common answer I hear by far, and there's nothing wrong with this, but is, well, I'm looking for a place that I can be intellectually challenged and utilize my skill set and work on interesting problems. Okay, great. That is super vague, and everyone else is saying the same thing. Can you come up with something that's a little more personal that would show that you're excited to work at that company or for those problems? Or if you go and you look at my series that I have on Instagram with all those SQL questions, a lot of those look easy, but there's subtleties to there that can help you stand out. And I have so many examples. Another is when you start talking about metrics during the case study, 80, 90% of the mock interviews I give, the candidates will just say, well, stakeholder, what do you think is the most important metric that we're going to track? Can you see why that kind of answer does not stand out?